High heels are beautiful, powerful, and confidence-boosting, but let's be honest, they're not always comfortable. Many people love the way heels look, yet dread the pain that comes with wearing them for more than a short time. Sore toes, aching arches, burning balls of the feet, and wobbling ankles are common complaints. The good news is this: high heels don't have to hurt. With the right knowledge, choices, and habits, you can make high heels far more comfortable and wearable, even for long hours. Comfort in high heels starts long before you actually put them on. It begins with choosing the right pair. Not all heels are created equal, and small design details make a huge difference. Heel height is one of the most important factors. Extremely high heels push your body weight forward, placing intense pressure on the ball of your foot. If you want comfort, consider a moderate heel height, especially for everyday wear. Even a difference of 1 inch can reduce strain on your feet and lower back. The shape of the heel also matters. Thin stilettos look elegant, but they can be harder to balance in, especially on uneven surfaces. Chunkier heels block heels, or flared heels distribute weight more evenly and provide better stability. This doesn't mean you must give up. Style many modern designs combine elegance with a supportive heel shape. Toe box space is another crucial detail people often overlook. Shoes that squeeze your toes together can cause blisters, bunions, numbness, and long-term foot problems. A slightly wider toe box allows your toes to rest naturally instead of being crushed. Pointed toes may look sleek, but rounded or softly pointed designs tend to be much more comfortable, especially for long wear. Material plays a big role in comfort too. Soft, flexible materials like genuine leather, suede, or high-quality fabric mold to your feet over time. Stiff synthetic materials may look nice, but they often rub against the skin and cause painful blisters. Breathable materials also help reduce sweating, which can lead to slipping and discomfort inside the shoe. Fit is just as important as design. Many people wear the wrong shoe size without realizing it. Your foot size can change over time due to age, weight, pregnancy, or lifestyle. Always measure your feet properly and try shoes on later in the day when your feet are slightly swollen. This gives a more realistic fit. A heel that feels almost right in the store will likely feel unbearable after a few hours. Once you've chosen the right heels, preparing your feet makes a huge difference. Strong, flexible feet handle heels better than weak or stiff ones. Simple foot exercises can improve comfort dramatically. Stretching your calves, ankles, and toes helps reduce tension caused by walking in heels. Rolling your feet over a tennis ball or massage ball can also relieve tight muscles and improve circulation. Moisturizing your feet regularly keeps the skin soft and reduces friction. Dry skin is more likely to crack or blister when rubbed by shoes. However, avoid applying lotion right before wearing heels, as slippery feet can move around too much inside the shoe and cause discomfort. Breaking in new heels is another step people often skip. Wearing brand new heels for a full day is a recipe for pain. Instead, break them in gradually. Wear them at home for short periods, walking on different surfaces to help the shoe adapt to your foot shape. Thick socks can help stretch tight areas slightly without damaging the shoe. Insoles and inserts are game changers when it comes to heel comfort. Cushioned insoles reduce pressure on the ball of the foot and absorb shock. Gel pads placed under the forefoot can significantly reduce burning sensations, especially in higher heels. Arch supports help distribute weight more evenly and reduce strain on the plantar fascia. Even slim, discreet inserts can make a noticeable difference without altering the look of the shoe. Heel grips and padding can also prevent rubbing and slipping. If your heel lifts up as you walk, friction can quickly lead to blisters. Soft heel grips keep your foot in place and add a layer of cushioning where it's needed most. Toe cushions and separators can relieve pressure in narrow shoes and improve overall comfort. How you walk in heels affects comfort more than many people realize. Taking shorter steps helps maintain balance and reduces impact on the front of the foot. Landing gently instead of stomping minimizes shock traveling through your feet and legs. Keeping your posture upright, shoulders back, core engaged helps distribute weight evenly and prevents unnecessary strain on your feet and lower back. Rotating your heels throughout the week is another smart habit. Wearing the same heel height every day puts repetitive stress on the same muscles and joints. Switching between different heel heights allows your feet to recover and reduces the risk of chronic pain. Mixing in lower heels or supportive flats can help maintain foot health without sacrificing style. Listening to your body is essential. Pain is a signal, not something to ignore. If a pair of heels consistently hurts despite trying different adjustments, it may simply not be right for your feet. No shoe, no matter how beautiful, is worth long-term foot damage. Lifestyle habits also influence how comfortable heels feel. Maintaining a healthy weight reduces pressure on your feet. Staying hydrated helps keep joints lubricated and muscles functioning properly. Regular stretching and strength training, especially for the calves and ankles, improve stability and endurance in heels. For special occasions that require long hours in heels, planning ahead can save your feet. Carrying foldable flats or low sandals gives you an option to switch when needed. It's also important to accept that comfort and style can coexist. Modern footwear design has come a long way, and many brands now focus on ergonomic construction without sacrificing beauty. Features like cushioned footbeds, balanced heel placement, and flexible soles are becoming more common. Choosing quality over quantity often leads to better comfort and longer-lasting shoes. In the end, making high heels comfortable is about smart choices and mindful habits. The right design, proper fit, foot preparation, supportive accessories, and healthy movement all work together to transform your experience. High heels don't have to mean suffering. When worn thoughtfully, they can be empowering, stylish, and surprisingly comfortable. Comfort doesn't take away from elegance, it enhances it. When you're not distracted by pain, you walk taller, move with confidence, and truly enjoy wearing your heels. And that confidence is what makes high heels truly shine.